Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is go to App Store. Search for ChatGPT. Now tap on Get. A notification will pop up that only iOS 16 and later version can get this app. Another option to get ChatGPT on iPhone even if you do not have iOS 16 is to go on Safari. Now search for ChatGPT. Click on the second link that says OpenAI. Click on the Try ChatGPT option and this will take you through all the necessary steps of logging in or creating an account. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, then simply create one and log in. That's a pretty simple step. Once you log into ChatGPT, you can start using it. Now what you want to do is to click on this little share button here and then a menu will pop up. Find a button that says Add to Home Screen and click it. And now you can name this however you want. I'm simply going to name it Chat and then click on Add. This will essentially create a shortcut or a bookmark on your home screen. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.